We'll guide you through how to add money to your PayPal account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're wanting to go and pay a business perhaps for something they've done for you or purchase something from them, or you're wanting to just go and send somebody money. It doesn't matter why you're wanting to add money, we're going to guide you through the steps. Because at the moment I've got £5 my balance and I want to go and add some more. To get started with this, we need to go and have a method of adding money. So what you need to do is come to the bottom here and you can find the option for accounts and you want to go and tap there. Now you need to go and scroll down and you need to find the option for linked banks and cards. So you need to go and have a bank or card linked to go and add money from. So I've got a few added here already, but you can go and press add new to the right. And what you can then do is go and add a bank account or card or even both. Now, I found that I can go and get money into my PayPal account a lot quicker using a card. I'll show you what it looks like in a moment, but what you can try doing is adding a card and a bank or just one of them. So go and add one of these, ideally go and add both. I've already done that. And then what you can do is we can come to the top of accounts. You see the option for add money or come to home and you can tap on your balance at the top. Then you can go to the right here and go and press add money. And you can go and see we've got the option for debit card or bank. I've got both here so I can choose. So you can see here that debit card is in seconds, whereas the bank is 3 to 5 days. So therefore I'm going to go for the debit card. But if you want to go and use the bank, maybe that's the only method you've got, you'll just have to wait a bit longer. I want it to be in seconds, so I'm going to go and choose the card option there. Now at the top, we can go and enter in the amount of money. So let's go and say I wanted to go and add in a fixed amount. I can choose that there, or I can press the pencil and go and type in the amount. So it's 20. After you've done that, you can then choose from, I want to use this card, but if you want to go and choose a different card, you can select that there. Then as you can see, it's going to be available in seconds. We can then press add at the bottom. It's now adding it. Just go and wait. So I need to go and authorize this for my banking. So I'm going to swipe down. I can just go and open up my bank here. I've now done it and I can come and return to PayPal and I can press I verified this. It's now loading. And as you can see, you added the money to your balance. So I can then go and press skip at the bottom. And as you can see, you may need to go and refresh, but we've now successfully added the money.